Students, today's topic is garden adornments. Garden adornments are decoration of gardens with certain things which are included in this topic. Decor is what is used to enhance a garden once the main features have been installed. Generally, a garden will not need much in the way of decor, but I have seen colorful benches and matching planter boxes used to good effect. Statuary placed strategically can look nice if it enhances the style of the garden and architecture of the house. This brick sidewalk leads to a little courtyard in the middle with a statue of a girl on her stomach reading. This is one of the two lines placed at the entrance of a mansion in my neighborhood, one on either side of the front gate. Occasionally, I have seen fake deer, ducks, squirrels, or frogs in gardens, but these need to be chosen and placed with care so they look like they belong. Water features make a nice decor, as do potted plants. Sweet sounding wind chimes are great additions too, unless you have a lot of them whose sounds clash with each other. Use each of these decor items judiciously, especially in a native garden. Use what reminds you of the outdoors where you are. I sneaked up the driveway to take a picture of this closer, but this clever water feature looks awesome from the sidewalk. It provides a soothing trickle sound too, supporting landscape features. These are the features which support the landscape for enhancing the beauty of the garden. These I have added as a separate category because they are not often thought of unless they are part of a theme. Garden themes that attract butterflies or bees are, are made especially for pets or for the enjoyment of kids will each have their own supporting features that can be added or planted around. For example, if you have decided that the theme of your landscape is attracting native birds, then in addition to planting the kinds of trees and bushes that will house and feed birds, you might want to add a birdhouse or two until your trees grow tall enough. You might want to add some bird feeders too, or even an attractive bird bath. Whatever will keep the birdies happy and give them a home. Here, here's a natural looking bird bath with no water in it. You can tell by the plants around it that this is a location with little rain. Still, the bird bath is shallow and has rocks in the middle for birdies to sit and dip when it is full. Having fun with gardening. Hopefully, you are starting to get excited now about designing or enhancing your garden. You may have taken a walk outside already to see what is these what is there with fresh eyes. You may be planning a hike in the hills. Whatever the case, remember that building or modifying a landscape is a long process that is highly rewarding. A lot of it is experimentation, including building with native plants. For example, your soil has probably been enriched more than what natives are used to, but their habits may like it. See gardening as the experiment it is and let it be. Thank you.